god, it's raining!
Okay.
We found this big room in our house because our house is under construction. And we're really freaking out because our dad's asleep. And we don't have a door. And we don't have a door. Push it! Push it! Push it! Where'd it go? It's hard! I know it's hard! How the crap the other thing's hard? Oh my god, it looks like a nail! Go push it! Here! Oh my god! I went on the roof with you last night, Emily! Push it! Here, go fast! Where is it? Where is it? Sorry.
Open the door.
Kitty, wait, stop!
Stop screaming.
Yeah, so that's a storm, Emily, on Kenna TV viewers.
How do we get it under the rug?
I don't know! Oh my god, it's gonna get under the rug, Emily! It's gonna get...
Throw up.
What?
Disgusting.
Let me get Speary! Here, and then we'll sweep it out, okay? Okay, okay? Teamwork! Yes!
It's all rolled up. Shoot water at us.
It's not gonna shoot water! Here!
Stop talking like that.
Hold the camera. I
Okay.
can't see it. Oh my god! Shh. Be quiet.
I'm scared.
You're being
I'm scared.
scared. Just get it. And you can flick it off in the rain.
Stop screaming. It's scary.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's gonna crawl up on its own.
No, get it out the door. I did the beginning part. What if you're smearing it? Oh god, where is
Oh
it?
my god, what is it? Oh my god.
Stop talking. Yeah, wait, stop, stay so I can. Oh god, don't push it.
Wait. Where's the cat?
I don't know, he's inside. Get him out. Don't put him back to me. Ah!
Where's it?
Right there. He's outside. He's outside. He's outside.